O is for onion, layered and round, with a strong smell and taste so profound. Peel it back one layer or two. An onion adds flavor to all that we stew. O is for orange, juicy and sweet, a citrus fruit that's fun to eat. Peel it open, slice by slice. Oranges are tasty, fresh and nice. O is for octopus under the sea, with 8 long arms, swimming free. It wiggles and swarms in the ocean deep. The octopus hides and plays hide and seek.